Welcome to solveNfix. In this video, we can see how we can install almost every version of PHP, switch between different versions of PHP, and install PHP extensions. So we can start with checking up the PHP version. In my case, I have already installed PHP 8.3, but if you don't have any PHP version available, then we need to add up the repository and then install the PHP. For this, we can type up this command. I will be leaving this command in description for you guys. So after adding up the repository in our advanced package tool, we need to update our advanced package tool, which is sudo apt update. After updating, we can install almost every version of PHP through your advanced package tool. So you can use sudo apt install and PHP version. For example, we want to install PHP 8.0. After successful installation, we can say that PHP 8.0 has been added to our system, but as there we can see that PHP 8.3 was already there, so PHP 8.0 is not enabled. We can also check up with PHP-v and it says that PHP 8.3.8 is right now the version selected. So to switch between the version, we can use the update alternatives command. So just writing up this command over here. I will also be pasting this command in description for you guys. So after this, we can see a list of available versions of PHP in our system. As we can see that PHP 8.3 is right now the selected version. The static shows the selection. And for us, if you want to enable this PHP 8.0, we can use this number over here. So we can type number 2 and enter. It will update the PHP version. So just check with this PHP-v. It says that PHP 8.0.3 is now the selected version, but we also need to engage the modules of PHP 8.0 in Apache. For this, we can disable the modules of PHP 8.3 and enable the modules of PHP 8.0, and then we will restart the Apache. So let's start with sudo apache to disable modules related to PHP 8.3 and enabling up the modules for PHP 8.0. So we can use sudo apache 2 enmod related to PHP 8.0. And after this, we can restart our Apache by using up this command sudo and this command. And now Apache has been restarted, and we can guarantee that the modules which are being used will be related to a PHP 8.0. Thank you for coming this up long way. Now if you want to install up the any extension of PHP 8.0, we can simply use apt, which is advanced package tool. So sudo apt install and then type up the PHP version, which is PHP 8.0. Then separated with this hyphen, we can type up the name of the extension. For example, XML. Oh, sorry, it is install. Similarly, we can change up the extension name whatever we want, which is now we want mbstring. Now mbstring extension has been installed. Just verifying again PHP-v, and it says PHP 8.0 is your active version right now. Thank you for coming up the whole way, guys. Hope you have enjoyed. For more details and more useful commands, please see the link in the description. Till the next video, goodbye.